Hi everyone, it's Lauren. I am working at Spruce today, which is the sister store to the Southern Institute of Faux Finishing, both overseen by paint-shoppe.com, and I just wanted to show you around our cute little store today. So, when you walk in the door, we have our milk paint selections as well as top coats and bonding agents. We have all the milk paint colors. That's Miss Mustard Seed. We love this brand. We've been working with them for a good minute. So you guys probably know that we drink a lot of tea at the other store, and if you don't, you haven't been paying enough attention because there are teacups in a lot of our photos and stories and videos and posts on Facebook. And so at Spruce, we have for sale these really cute little antique English teacups. I just love them. They're so delicate and so sweet. And what good Southern girl doesn't love a cup of tea? In addition to these precious little teacups, we also have these awesome candles. They're some of my favorite from the Park Hill collection, especially this one. Again, tea is life. I love these. They smell so good. So Spruce is really great because we have the privilege of selling home items like this mirror as well as this cute little nursery set. We have lots of little gifts here for nurseries. We have these great home decor pieces, decorations, as well as unfinished furniture like this cute little wine cabinet we just picked up yesterday at auction. I almost don't want to paint this. It's so beautiful just the way it is. So besides these cute little pieces like the wine cabinet, we also have some finished pieces in this store. Like this one, we were able to incorporate some of FX USA's appliques and moldings. We love those. But seriously, the FX moldings are so pretty, especially gilded like this. Definitely check those out on our website or on fxusa.com. Yeah, you won't regret it. So right back here next to my desk is I like to call it the tools table. It's full of tools that you need to get the job done. So we have a lot of different sift brushes, and a lot of these, including the waxing brushes that we have, which are, by the way, giant. I love them. It's so easy to work with these. They're all natural bristles, but we also have these synthetic flat brushes. These are great for smooth finishes. These are from Jolie, and aren't the handles beautiful? I just love them. We also have these, and these, let me just tell you about this. So these pointed waxing brushes are great because they hold wax better than any brush I've ever used. They have this nice pointed top to them so that you can get in little nooks and crannies in your piece where you really need wax to go, especially if you're trying to get an antique look. They're also perfect for stenciling, even complicated stencils. I love this brush. I use it for a lot of different projects. Get one. You won't regret it. So last but certainly not least, we have the Jolie color sampling table. We have these squirt bottles so that you can mix and match as much as you want to, as well as this color wheel book, which has all the different variations of the colors you can create. And finally, I just want to talk about this beautiful paint display that we have for Jolie paints. We have these cute little sample boards and knobs here where we show off different waxes. These cute little knobs, we have the clear wax on the top of them and the brown wax on the bottom, and then the gorgeous black wax, which is my favorite, and the white wax. It's a little beachier. So yeah, this is Spruce. We are here every day except for Sunday from 10 to 5. Again, located in Ridgeland. Come see me. I'd love to help you make your life beautiful. Thanks for watching.